Everyone. Hope my voice is audible and I am visible. Can anyone confirm me in the chat box that is my voice is audible and my screen or I'm visible? My voice is audible. Can anyone confirm me that in chat box? Is my voice audible? Can anyone confirm me if my voice is audible? I'm visible. I'm waiting for people to confirm if my voice is audible and I'm visible. So once anyone confirms me, I'll start my today's very nice discussion about the ClinoSol performance, how ClinoSol has performed in the year 2023. So can anyone confirm me whether my voice is audible? Yeah. So I hope my voice is audible now. Can anyone confirm me? Is my voice audible? Can anyone confirm me? Is my voice audible? Okay, perfect. My voice is audible. So I'll start my discussion. Today's discussion will be based on the following topics that how ClinoSol has performed in the year 2023. It will not be a big session, but definitely it will be very interesting session to know about how ClinoSol has performed and what are our objectives now to be in 2024. So I'll be speaking first. Point number one in performance of ClinoSol, how many admissions we have taken about the admission is the first point. Second point, I'll be speaking about the how many placements and how placements have been done. And the third point, I'll be speaking about how many events we have conducted, including health day events and competitions. And the fourth point I will be speaking about is conferences, how many conferences we have conducted, both online and offline. So how many conferences or how many events we have conducted, both online and offline, I'll be speaking about that. And fifth point, I'll be speaking about industry expert sessions, which is weekend industry expert sessions. How many we have conducted? What was the outcome? Every month, how many events we have conducted for industry expert online or offline? Then I'll be speaking about alumni sessions, how many alumni sessions we have conducted in the year 2023 and what were the outcome of alumni sessions. Then I'll be speaking about publications, what are the publications and how many publications we have gone through in the year 2023. We will be speaking about that aspect even. So now at the end, I'll be speaking about MOUs, how many MOUs we have signed for the year 2023. So with this, I'll be speaking about this many objectives and this many aspects of 2023 for ClinoSol research. So without any delay, first point I'll be discussing about the admissions, how many admissions we gave in the year 2023. So it was nearly 249 admissions we have given on an average of every month 20 admissions we gave. Students were from different states, including from India and abroad. We had nearly 20 plus states, including Andhra, Telangana, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, and Maharashtra, and Gujarat, and Delhi. So different locations we had students, and we had students across all situations and scenarios like B Farm, M Farm, PharmD, BSc, MSc, BDS, MDS, MBBS, MDs, and BTech and MTech, Biotechs, PhDs also took admissions. On an average per month, admissions were 20. So this was an outcome for this year. Admissions were nearly 248 on an average per month, 20 admissions we have taken care. So now coming back to placements, which was most important topic discussed is your placements. How many placements this year? Placements were nearly 148 till date. On the state also we have included till date 148 placements all over India. And students went into all different kinds of jobs, including clinical operations, clinical data management, pharmacovigilance, medical writing, regulatory affairs, business development, project management, royal master file role, and one student went into SAS role also. And 10% of the students have traveled to abroad also. We have calculated on average, nearly 10% of students have went to abroad for further education. And some of the students got placed in Europe and Canada and US. I think in each country, we had some two students who got placed abroad. So in Europe, we had two students, and Canada, we had two students, and US, one student got placed in this particular 2023. So that's about your placements, 148 placements. Now, coming back to events, health day events and competitions, we have conducted so many in this year. So nice outcome we have got for particular events properly in 2023. So 40 events we conducted in online and offline modes, both for 40 events on online and offline events we have conducted. On an average per month, 2 events we have conducted. And including we have conducted PV week, PVPI week, pharmacovigilance week, and also the pharmacist week celebrations we have done, and clinical trial day week also celebrations we have done. So most of important health day events we have conducted competitions like designing of posters or essays or debate competitions or quiz competitions or walkathons or providing the public about the knowledge on pharmacovigilance or pharmacist, all those kind of activities we have conducted in the year 2023. On an average per month, 2 events, which is 40 events full year we have conducted. Coming back to conferences. So conferences was one of the biggest challenge for us to meet with the industry experts and to engage our students with industry experts. We have conducted or we have participated nearly 31 conferences, which includes offline and online. Some of the most biggest conferences which we have attended offline and online were, one was IPC, Indian Pharmaceutical Congress, happened in Nagpur. We have attended that. ISCR annual conference, which we have attended in Delhi. SCDM annual conference, which we conducted very recently, which we have attended very recently in Bangalore. FDRS annual event we have conducted. On an average, we have participated on 2 conferences per month for ClinoSol students. So nearly 31 conferences, both online and offline. An upcoming AACP conference is happening in January 5th and 6th, and ISCR annual conference also we are participating as a group registration of ClinoSol students. So this is about the conference. And coming back to industry expert sessions, already I have spoken about this. More than 61 industry expert sessions we have participated, or we had 61 kind of industry expert people who came and gave the session. Every month, on an average of 3 experts gave sessions. It includes your workshops also, which we have conducted along with your industry experts. Nearly 50 plus alumni sessions, 50 plus alumni sessions on an average of 3 per month alumni sessions were being conducted. So this is about your admissions, placements, events, conferences, and industry expert sessions, alumni sessions. And now last one is the publication data, which is more interesting data. Our students have published more than 260 blogs. 260 blogs were being published by our student, and these are all available in Blogspot. And our students have published nearly 98 articles. 98 articles our students have published, and our students have given 280 presentations, and all the presentations are available in the slideshare. Last but not least, we had nearly 32 MOUs which were being signed for colleges as well as companies in the year 2023. So we had a wonderful year with nearly 250 admissions and 148 placements and nearly 40 plus events and 31 plus conferences and industry experts of 66 and publications of 260 blogs, 98 articles and 280 presentations and nearly 32 MOUs. So this was our achievements in the year 2023. Without any delay, I would like to show some of the slides which ensures that how we have done this activities in the year 2023. So I'll be sharing my screen so that my screen will be visible, and I'll be taking this year-end achievement performance report. So now this is year-end performance report, which we have created. And here we are going to speak about our placements, our admissions, our events, our MOUs, our workshops, our conferences, our industry expert sessions, everything I'll be speaking on this particular slides. So this is our services. We give trainings for freshers and corporate companies, and also resource consulting. So these are the courses for freshers and upskilling. So this is the month of January. So this is the month of January. So left-hand side, you can see that these are the placements of January month. And this is inauguration ceremony at the Vizag office. We have inaugurated our office in Vizag in the month of January. And these are the interaction with industry experts on career growth for medical writings and alumni sessions and webinar with Sudhir, and also industry experts and higher education in Canada also we have taken. And these were in the month of the January. And these were the events, the IPC, the Indian Pharmaceutical Congress Nagpur event, and this were the World Leprosy Day, and one of the conference where I spoke about the future aspect of clinical research. This is the month of February. These are the placement highlights for the February. And this is post presentation competition announcement where the couple of people have won their awards for the events. And these are the MOUs. For one MOU was signed with Malaridi Hospital for the training and placements. Also for recruitment, we have signed an MOU with Talent Surabhi. So this was in the month of February. And this was one more time in the February that how we conducted the alumni sessions, and we conducted the CEO sessions in different locations, and also weekend alumni sessions. And we had Aslam Khan, who was a director for SAS. He took a session from US. It was wonderful session in the month of February. So this is one more time February month sessions or industry expert sessions, FDRS conference. This was G20 Tech Summit, and this was one more time career opportunities in Vizag. And this was in Delhi, where I have spoken in DIPSAR. This was pre-conference event, which I spoke in ISCR. This was conference session. I was speaking at the conference in ISCR. And this was one more event where we spoke or we took the events. And this is the March month placements, the placement highlights for March month. And this month, March month, the performance highlights for blogs, articles, and topic presentation, industry experts and competitions, we have done it. And this were the industry expert sessions, including Mrs. Jayanti, who have taken session from US, and on the ICH GCP workshop. And we had Moin Don, who took the session, who is a well-known personality in pharmacovigilance, and alumni sessions also we conducted in the month of March. So in the month of March, we have received awards. Back to back, we have received awards in the month of March in the best skill development organization of the year, and where Joshna Tirunagiri has celebrated Women's Day in ClinoSol. Mallareddy Hospital, and this was Mallareddy Hospital events which were being conducted. And this is where Ugadi celebrations were being conducted in ClinoSol at the Hyderabad office in the month of March. And coming back to this is about the April month. This is about the placement highlights. These were the placements which were being given in the month of April. This were being the publications and the performance highlights for blogs and articles and topic presentations and industry experts and other things. And this were one more time in the month of April, we have conducted live webinar for pharmacovigilance along with PVH and Sargent Systems. And also we conducted regulatory affairs live webinar in the month of April along with Sargent System. So this is about the May month. These are the placement highlight in the May month. We had got the May month placements in Canada also. And this were the performance report for the blogs and articles and presentations. And these were Dengue Day competitions. We had Dengue Day e-poster competition. We have given the awards for Dengue Day. And these were events which were being conducted. So this was live webinar on career opportunities for regulatory activities. And this was a panel discussion along with the Indian Pharmaceutical Association we conducted, wherein Dr. T.V. Narayana, who is a national president of IPA, has volunteered or has accepted to give as a chief guest, and we had different industry experts all over the world who came on clinical trial day to produce this or to provide this activities. And this was live AI/ML workshop happened in the month of May. And this is live AI/ML workshop which was conducted. And this was the panel discussion which we conducted for clinical trial day. And this was most auspicious occasion of the clinical trial day we conducted outside of ClinoSol, and we conducted in Necklace Road. So many people have participated in this, and we had one more workshop in the month of May, which is on data integrity in clinical operations. So this is about May month. And coming back to June month, we had June month, one of the best achievements. These were the placements. These were the blogs and presentations. These were the events which were conducted in the May month. And we have conducted SAS workshop online also. And we had Dr. Ranjan Chakravarti who took the session for our students also. So these were the events in the month of June where our students have participated in JNTU conferences, and our students have gone into the other respective conferences and participated in it. So this is about July month, and this is about the placements of July. And this were monthly student performance where we have conducted this. And this were the MOUs we have signed. We have signed one MOU with one of the institution to provide the trainings, and one of the institution for placements in US, which is TK Chain. And we've signed an MOU with RB Life Sciences, and we signed one MOU with VNS Groups also in the month of July. So this is about the July month workshops and conferences and events. Students have participated. One more time, it's a July month. The ClinoSol work life and ClinoSol team outings and ClinoSol at Bangalore office and ClinoSol at Admiras Biosciences for CRO visits, and also a hands-on workshop for ClinoSol. So this is about the July month. And coming back to August month, this is the placement of August month. Performance report of the publications and all is this. Blog publication were 29, articles were 11, topic presentation 33, and industry experts were 10, CRO visits and ClinoSol student outing were 2. So these were the events and MOUs which were being signed in the month of August. So these were the events which were being conducted in the month of August, big events which we have conducted. So these are all the events which we conducted and workshops which we have conducted. And we have got back-to-back awards in the month of August. So one Outstanding Excellence Award in Malaysia, I have received an award. And one more award we have received is we have received the Outstanding Clinical Research Skill Development Organization of the Year. ClinoSol have received this award in Mumbai. And we have our Dr. Mitesh Reddy, who have received an award for the best scientific presenter award also in 2023. So these are the events which were being conducted, the team outing, SCDM events, and all those activities were being conducted. In the month of September, these were the placements which were being conducted. And these were the monthly performance report for article publications. These were the MOUs which were being signed. We signed MOU with SGP office also to provide more placements for students, and Nirmala College also. These were the activities which we done in the month of September. The CEO conclave, which Dr. Rajendra Prasad have taken one session, and Dr. Someshwar has taken one session, and Dr. Pawan Bhusari has taken one session, who are the CEOs of 3 different organizations. So this was about the September events. These are all the September events. The Pharmacovigilance Week and Pharmacist Week and all those sessions were being done. And this was October month. We have conducted the placements of October month and review articles and blogs and publications. These were the MOUs which were being signed and agreed in the month of September. And these were the hands-on workshops and industry experts. And this was Geetam hands-on workshop, Vignan hands-on workshop. And these were the events which were being conducted at ClinoSol, Life at ClinoSol, SGP office. We have conducted so many activities. And this was CRO visit at the Admiras and at the Adviti Clinical Research also. So this was November placements. We have conducted November placements. And this were the blogs and presentations which were being posted. And these were the MOUs which was being signed. These were the MOUs which were being signed between ClinoSol and different organizations. These were the industry expert sessions in the month of November. And these were the industry expert sessions in the month of November, which we have conducted. And these are the December month placements which we have done till now. And these were the MOUs which were being signed. And these were the publications which were being signed. And one more collaboration announcement. Yesterday, we have signed an MOU with Galaxy SMO, which is in Vizag, who have accepted to provide the internships and also placements to our students. So these were events conducted in the month of December. So these are all the events which were being conducted in the month of December. And these are the events which were being conducted in December, which is SCDM conference and the Spotlight of Medra conference and CME programs and the other respective programs in the month of December. So now with this, I think I have spoken about the admissions which were 250 admissions and placements which were 148 placements and events which are 40 events including online and offline, conferences which are 31 conferences, and industry experts which are nearly 66 industry expert sessions and MOUs, 32 MOUs, blogs 260, articles 98, and presentations 280. So with this, I think the year 2023 was so great year for ClinoSol. We are expecting to do more in terms of admissions and placements and blogs, articles, events, conferences, industry expert sessions, alumni, MOUs, and all kind of webinars and conferences. We wanted to do bigger things in 2024. We have put a nice target for 2024. With this, I would like to thank all my team members and all my partners and all our people who have supported at us and who believed us that we would be able to do some great work. And we believe that 2023 has had some challenges, but we have proved ourselves that India is a very good place for clinical research, and also clinical research education is growing so vastly and so accurately that we are trying to teach more students about clinical research and grow more students in clinical research, get more opportunities and more jobs for students with respect to this. So with this, I would like to thank all the team members who have helped and all the partners who have helped ClinoSol to grow. So thank you so much. Wish you a happy